Good morning. Welcome to your Wednesday daily operations weather briefing for February 17th, 2021. Currently across the region, we do have high pressure building into the area with dry conditions temporarily until we see tomorrow a return with some precipitation across the region. Mostly here at Wallops, it'll be rainfall, maybe just a slight chance of some freezing rain mixing in early, but areas north of Wallops and also west of the Chesapeake Bay do have a chance for some significant wintry impact with some freezing rain, sleet, and also some snow in those areas. Areas such as Salisbury could potentially see a little bit more of the freezing mix, freezing rain mixing in with rain, maybe even some sleet, maybe even a little bit of snow as well, just a mixed bag there, but really nothing much to speak of down in the Wallops area. This morning at 8 a.m., we did have a broken layer at 4,500 feet, broken at 20,000. Winds out of the northwest and slightly breezy at 12 knots, gusting to 18 knots, temperature of 29 degrees with a relative humidity of 56%. Looking at the current satellite imagery right now, again, you can see that broken layer of some low-level cloudiness streaming across the area. This cloud cover is going to be breaking up here in the next several hours, and we'll be left with some lingering upper-level cloudiness and a little bit of the low-level stuff. We'll average out partly cloudy for the most part throughout the day today, and winds will be diminishing and shifting more northeasterly. We'll have temperatures rising into the upper 30s for our day today. Looking at the models, this is the NAM from 6Z this morning, or 1 a.m. We'll have high pressure and dry conditions building throughout the region throughout the day today under partly cloudy skies, so fairly seasonable day today and dry, but that reprieve from the wet weather will be short-lived as we'll see some precipitation move through the area early tomorrow morning. Looks like it'll mainly hold off until about after 5 a.m. And it'll start off as some rain mixed with some freezing rain potentially. You can see here the model wanted to put out an area of sleet just north of Wallops. Can't rule that out either. It could be a mix of some freezing rain, maybe some sleet, and then also snow in the Salisbury area. But as you go farther south again, it should mainly stick to rain. Can't rule out the chance we could have some freezing rain. But as we go throughout the morning into the day tomorrow, we'll have an area of low pressure that will be pushing just to our south and providing us with some moderate rainfall throughout the day today. So pretty much a soaker for tomorrow morning, and that'll continue into the day on Friday as well. After this system's all said and done, Friday afternoon, can't rule out the chance that we do see 3/4 to an inch of rainfall across the area. So looking at the next 24 hours, again, temperatures rising into the upper 30s today. We'll max out around 39 degrees for our high temperature. Winds shifting northeasterly this morning, about 5 to 10 knots. And we'll have pretty much green conditions across the board in terms of hazard throughout the next several hours. So heading tomorrow morning after about 5 a.m., we should expect to see some rain enter into the area and could potentially see just a slight chance that we do have some freezing rain mixed in there. Winds will also begin to pick up out of the northeast at 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 24 knots. Looking at the next several days then, Thursday will average out overcast, chilly, and breezy with rain. We'll have a high of 41 degrees. Thursday night, much of the same. Winds drop off slightly. We'll have a low of 37 degrees. And then for Friday, we'll still be cloudy with lingering showers throughout much of the morning into the early afternoon time frame. And then we should start to see those showers clear the area, averaging out mostly cloudy later in the later towards the evening time frame, and we'll max out at about a high of 41 degrees. Well, that concludes the daily operations weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you at 10 a.m. for the full outlook for the next 7 days. Have a great day.